helicopter. So the Ghana Football Association expresses its profound sorrow and extends condolences to the President, the government of Ghana, and the families of the victims of the tragic military helicopter crash that occurred on Wednesday, August 6, 2025. The accident claimed the lives of all 8 people on board, including several high-ranking government and political officials. The GFA conveys its heartfelt sympathies on the passing of Dr. Omane Boamah, the Minister of Defence, Alhaji Dr. Murtala Mohammed, the Minister for Environment, Alhaji Muniru Mohammed, the Acting Deputy National Security Coordinator, Dr. Samuel Sapon, Vice Chairman of the National Democratic Congress, and Mr. Samuel Abuaje, a former parliamentary candidate. Now they go on to say the association also mourns the loss of the crew members, squadron leader Peter Anala, flying officer Chum Ampedu, and Sergeant Ernest Ado. The Ghana Football Association mourns the nation's collective grief and pays tribute to the dedication and service of all these gallant men who perished in the line of duty. The Ghana Football Association's Executive Council and the entire football community join the nation in mourning this immense loss and stand in solidarity with the bereaved families during this difficult time. So, like I said, the entire Ghana is mourning, but then the football community also joins in solidarity to mourn with the bereaved families and the nation as a whole. Ghana has really lost, and we continue to mourn this morning. So it's not just from the Ghana Football Association, but then also Kumasi, Asante, Kotoko have also issued a statement. So Kumasi, Asante, Kotoko mourns national tragedy. Asante Kotoko Sporting Club mourns the tragic loss of our cherished fans, Dr. Omane Boamah, and former KMA boss, Dr. Samuel Sapon, and 6 others in today's Akrofum plane crash. We extend our deepest condolences to their families and the nation. May their souls rest in peace. So like I said, the football space continues to mourn, the tragic loss of 8 people on board the Z9 airline helicopter that crashed yesterday very close to Obuasi, and it's still sad, and words are not enough to describe what everyone is going through, and we'll continue to extend our deepest condolences to the families. But then it's now time to bring to you up to speed all the latest from the world